Hello friends. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the best dish drying racks that can make your kitchen life so much easier. From space-saving over-the-sink designs to sleek, rust-resistant options, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to maximize your countertop space or simply keep things organized, I've got you covered. Hit that like button if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and product reviews. Thanks. Let's start the video.
MERRYBOX Over-the-Sink Dish Drying Rack. The MERRYBOX Over-Sink Dish Drying Rack offers a versatile and space-saving solution for your kitchen. Designed to fit securely over your sink, it allows water to drain directly, keeping your countertops dry. With multiple tiers and compartments, it provides ample storage for dishes, pots, and utensils. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last. The adjustable design accommodates different sink sizes, ensuring a perfect fit. Easy to assemble and disassemble, it's convenient for any kitchen setup. The sleek modern design adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Ideal for maximizing space and keeping your kitchen organized.
Happimess DSH 103B Simple 20.5 Fingerprint-Proof Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack. The happimess DSH 103B Simple 20.5 Fingerprint-Proof Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack offers a sleek and durable solution for your kitchen. Made from fingerprint-proof stainless steel, it maintains a clean and polished look with minimal maintenance. The spacious design can accommodate a variety of dishes, from plates to large pots. Its integrated drip tray efficiently collects water, preventing countertop messes. The rack includes a detachable utensil holder for added convenience. Non-slip feet provide stability, keeping the rack securely in place. Easy to clean and rust-resistant, it's built for long-lasting use. The modern design complements any kitchen decor, ideal for those seeking both style and functionality in their kitchen.
OXO Plastic Tot Space Saving Drying Rack. The OXO Plastic Tot Space Saving Drying Rack is designed for compact, efficient drying in any kitchen. Perfect for small spaces, it holds bottles, cups, and utensils upright for optimal drying. The angle design directs water back into the sink, keeping your counters clean. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's safe and easy to clean. The removable top tray provides additional drying space and can be customized to fit your needs. Non-slip feet keep the rack stable on any surface. Its modern, sleek design blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Ideal for parents, it's perfect for drying baby bottles and accessories. Compact yet spacious, it keeps your kitchen organized.
Wall-mounted pot holder. Pan organizer. The wall-mounted pot holder pan organizer is a practical and stylish solution for decluttering your kitchen. Designed to be mounted on the wall, it frees up valuable cabinet and countertop space. This organizer features sturdy hooks and shelves to hold pots, pans, and lids securely. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it's built to withstand daily use. The sleek design complements any kitchen decor while keeping your cookware within easy reach. Easy to install, it includes all necessary hardware for a quick setup. Ideal for small kitchens or those looking to maximize storage space. Keeps your kitchen organized and efficient.
Sweet Home Dish Drying Rack. The Sweet Home Collection, 2-piece dish drying rack set. Drainer is a compact and efficient solution for your kitchen. This set includes a sturdy dish rack and a separate utensil holder, offering ample space for drying dishes and cutlery. Made from durable materials, it resists rust and stains, ensuring long-term use. The sleek design fits perfectly on most countertops, maximizing space. The rack's open-wire construction allows for quick drying. Non-slip rubber feet keep it stable during use. Easy to clean and maintain, it's ideal for small kitchens or limited spaces. Stylish and functional, it complements any kitchen decor.
Over-the-sink dish drying rack. Maximize your kitchen space with this over-the-sink dish drying rack. Designed to fit most sinks, it offers a convenient, space-saving solution for drying dishes, utensils, and cookware. The sturdy stainless steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance. Adjustable design allows easy customization to fit your needs. With multiple compartments, it keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Non-slip pads provide stability, while the sleek design complements any kitchen decor. Easy to assemble and maintain, this dish rack is perfect for small kitchens or those who love an efficient
KitchenAid Large Capacity Dish Rack.
The KitchenAid Large Capacity Full-Size Dish Rack offers ample space for drying all your kitchen essentials, from plates to pots. Made from rust-resistant materials, it ensures durability and long-lasting use. The sleek, modern design complements any kitchen decor. This dish rack features an adjustable, detachable utensil holder for added convenience. The sloped design allows for efficient water drainage, keeping your countertops dry. Non-slip feet ensure stability on any surface. It's easy to clean and maintain, making it perfect for busy households. The rack's large capacity accommodates multiple dish sizes effortlessly. Ideal for those who value both style and functionality.
Farberware 3-piece Large Dishrack Set. The Farberware 3-piece Large Dishrack Set is designed for maximum efficiency in your kitchen. This set includes a spacious dish rack, a drain board, and a cutlery holder, providing ample space for drying dishes, glasses, and utensils. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it ensures long-lasting use. The sloped drain board directs water into the sink, keeping your countertops dry and clean. The cutlery holder is removable for easy cleaning and organization. Non-slip feet keep the rack securely in place during use. Easy to assemble and maintain, this set is ideal for busy households. Its modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Perfect for those who need both functionality and style.
Joseph Dish Drying Rack. The Joseph Dish Drying Rack offers a stylish and practical solution for drying your kitchen essentials. Designed with an innovative tiered structure, it maximizes drying space while minimizing countertop clutter. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, this rack is built to last. The integrated spout allows water to drain directly into the sink, keeping your surfaces dry. The removable utensil holder adds versatility and convenience. Non-slip feet provide stability on any surface, preventing accidental movement. Easy to clean and maintain, it's perfect for modern kitchens. Its sleek design complements any decor, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Ideal for organized, efficient kitchen setups.
OXO Good Grips Aluminum Dish Rack. The OXO Good Grips Aluminum Dish Rack combines durability with modern design for efficient kitchen organization. Made from rust-proof aluminum, it offers long-lasting use and a sleek appearance. The spacious rack can hold a variety of dishes, including plates, bowls, and cookware. An angled drain board directs water into the sink, keeping your countertops dry. The rack features non-slip feet for stability and a removable utensil holder for added convenience. Easy to clean and maintain, it's perfect for busy kitchens. The compact design maximizes space without compromising capacity. Ideal for those who value both form and function in their kitchen tools.